Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I'm going to be using the new products from Kellofaplan that are releasing today. I'll have all the info about the release. It should be available now to purchase, so my link will be in the description if you're interested. But yeah, I'm going to do a little plan with me featuring one of these sticker books. I have a flip through of the planner and all of these sticker books, and I mention all the things that are going to be available to purchase today from Kellofaplan. This is the 2027 planner release, so there are some new planners that are available, and then the coordinating sticker books and some cute little charms. So definitely check that out all on the website that I have linked down in the description. In this video, like I said, I'm going to do a plan with me, so I'm going to use the new planner. This is a little key charm, which is super cute, and there's different themed ones for each of the planner along with the themed sticker books. So I'm going to use this planner to do some a planner spread. This is a vertical layout. That's what I picked for the layout that I wanted to try out, and there is another layout. There's a dashboard layout if you're interested. And the cool thing about Kellofaplan's planner releases is each layout is available in each design. So if you like this design, you have the option of both dashboard or vertical. And if you like more this theme, you have both of those planner options. So that's cool. All right, I'm just gonna grab, oh wait, let me mention the sticker book, because I had asked in my flip through video which sticker book I should use. And the one that was commented the most is the one that I'm going to use here. So I have Whimsical Florals, Seasonal Stickers, Keepsake Collection, Pattern, Petal, Play. So those are the 4 sticker books, the different themes in this release. And the one that was requested the most is Seasonal Stickers. So I'm going to use this sticker book to decorate a spread. So once I figure out which sheets I'm going to use, then I can figure out which theme, because this one is a seasonal sticker book, so I gotta pick the season I want to use. I really like these are so cute. Oh, this one's pretty, this one's fun. I like that one. They're really cute, they're really adorable. It's hard to choose because I want to keep them for myself also, because yeah, they're really adorable. But this spread, I'm just doing like a little mock spread, and then I'll give it away to one of my patrons. Maybe I'll do this one. This one's a nice summer one. Yeah, and we're still in summer, unfortunately, so I can make a spread using these. I do like summer themed stickers. Like, I love this. This sheet is so cute. But I'm selfishly saving it for my planner. So yeah, we're gonna do that. We'll eventually do a spread with that. But look how adorable these are. This one's cute too. Okay, I think I'll do this one here. So let's grab some sheets. So since we're in summer, I guess I'll grab some June. When does summer start? I guess July, just to be safe, because it's all summer in this month. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab this week. This is for 2027, a 2027, my first 2027 spread, actually. Oh, sorry about my lighting. It looks horrendous. Let me fix it. Okay, I think that's a little better. I'm trying to turn some lights on because I am filming at night. So usually I try my best to film during the day because I love the lighting. In my office, I have really good lighting, but sometimes I gotta film at night, which is okay. All right, so I always like to put a double box usually here on the weekend. I'm just gonna stick it here. We'll do some layering of boxes. Let's do one of these. Oops. So yeah, this book is great because it has the functional sheet and then 2 decorative sheets. So you have all the things you need to make a spread. A nice cohesive spread. Nice functional decorative spread here. Okay, let's put some cute stickers down. Which one do I want to do first? I really like the bow. I always try to put the stickers I like the most on a spread. I could do a little bow here or here. Maybe one here, little bow there. I feel like I need something, well, not, maybe, well, I do like the lemon slices. I'll just do, we'll go with that. All right, where am I gonna put the lemon though? How many lemon slices? Okay, I got 2. Put it here. I'm gonna probably grab some washi too, just because I feel like washi would be good in this spread. Grab a couple more boxes. All right, let's do this color down here. And I could do some bullet points. Let's see what color do I want to do. I'll do yellow. And I kind of want some here too. So we'll do the blue, the light blue. I kind of want to do something here on the sidebar, so maybe we'll do this green. Do like different categories. I think that's how I'll do it. So we'll do one here, and then I'll do like the top 3 on the sidebar. Okay, now I'll switch the color. Let's do the yellow. Okay, same thing. I'll do the yellow bullet points, top 3. Oops. Okay, 1, 2, 3. And then maybe I can get another one to fit here. We shall see. Let's do blue. It's probably not gonna fit. Try my best. All right, let's do, okay, we just did 2 on this one. That's all that fits. Okay, let's add some decor over here because it's kind of just very functional. So let's do a little starfish. And then maybe trying to not put it too much in the way of the writing area. But I want a little bit of decor on the side because it's pretty. Yeah. All right, that works. Yeah, that looks good. All right, I'm gonna come back on this side with washi because I do feel it needs a little bit of washi, but for now I'm gonna go to this side. Okay, so for this side, boxes. So let's do, what color do I want to start with? Okay, I really like this blue color. So let's do blue a little bit lower over here. And then I can layer a box. We'll do green. Okay, I need a checklist, probably 2 checklists on this side up. So I'll do one on this level and one on this level. So let's do yellow. And then blue. Okay. All right, I'm gonna focus on some decor items. What do I want to get on here? Another lemon for sure, just to balance out that lemon. But what other element? That plate's cute. maybe something here. I could do the picture. Okay, we get some more boxes. So we'll do this blue one here. Maybe we could do a bow with this one. Okay, maybe a yellow bow. Or should I do a different kind of bow? I have this plain one, but I don't know, I kind of like going with the stripes. So we'll do the stripey one. All right, I'm gonna put the lemon slice. I feel like I have a lot of yellow over here, so I'm not quite sure where I'm gonna put this. I guess here. Yeah, we're just gonna stick it there. Okay. And then I like these little wavy things. I'm not quite sure what it is, but we're gonna add them. It's like interesting. All right, I need to add in some of these little bits too. The bathing suits are cute, but I don't think I have enough room. Oh, the hat's cute. I think I got too much on this side. I don't think I'll be able to fit it. But as you can see, there's still lots of stickers left, so you could totally use this for a second spread, which that's always good. I do like these little pieces. Maybe I'll add this here. I'll have to repunch these holes. Okay, more boxes and function. So I need little boxes like this. Let's do like a lot of blue, or the darker blue over here, so we'll do this lighter blue here. And maybe green. Okay. I have glasses. And these little yellow leaves are cute. Maybe coming off from the side. All right, I need to put some bullet points. Oops. Let's get the bullet points. All right, so for this one, let's do the blue, the light blue. A couple here. Maybe one here. No, here. Okay, that's cute. Super adorable. All right, yeah, I do need some washi. I'm gonna stick some washi, find some washi that'll, maybe a stripe washi would be cute to play off the stripes of these. Not sure yet what color I wanna go with, but I'm gonna get some stripe washi. All right, I got lots of stripes. Should be able to find maybe green. Do I wanna do green? I have this green. I don't know if this one will work nicely. I mean, it's kind of subtle. Okay, we'll see how this looks. I mean, if I don't like it, I always pull it up. But I think I like it. Should I do another kind of washi too? I don't know. Maybe two kinds of washi? Alright, got this one here. Maybe two. Okay, so green. And then, okay, let's see what other color I got that will go. Well, I have this nice blue. Do I have too much of this blue though? This one, I don't have a good like powder blue. So maybe not the lighter blue. And then the yellow, I do have this yellow. This one's too bright, but this one's kind of orangey yellow. I think it's too orange though. I mean, it's not bad, but maybe blue. We'll see how blue looks. I don't know if this is gonna look the way that I'm thinking it should look, but it might be a little too much. think I'm gonna go with it. Yeah, we're gonna go with it. All right, so I'll add that there. And then I think I want some on the top over here. Okay. I think that works. All right, so what else do I want to add? Let's see, maybe some, if I have little elements that I can add in. What's that? Is that a flower? It's cute. Let's see. Well, I got this, a little cup. Oh, the little lemons. I just like randomly put it here. Maybe here in the middle. Okay. I'll do another one. I think that's too much. Too much. Okay, not that one. But maybe something here. Okay, I think that's what I'm gonna go with for this spread. Right, I'm just gonna repunch my holes. And then I'm good to go. It's really cute though. It's a really pretty theme. And I absolutely love all the other themes. I can't wait to use them. Because there's some really adorable themes in this sticker book. Also, the other books, they are great as well. Like I said, I have a flip through of all the books. So definitely check that out if you're interested in this release. We have, again, the seasonal stickers, the sticker book, of course, the planner, really adorable planner. Oh, and if you haven't had our Kellofaplan planner, they're really, really good. The paper quality is top notch. Very nice, thick paper that is not gonna, your stuff isn't gonna bleed through. And then we have the whimsical florals. This one has a lot of really pretty colors in here, kind of like that moody jewel tone kind of color scheme. This one's really cute. This is themed to this planner keepsake collection, really adorable sticker book. And then this one's fun, pattern petal play. Lots of pattern if you like florals, patterns, that kind of vibe. This is a good one to pick up too. So yeah, lots of new sticker books, planners, cute little charms. These charms are adorable. Are going to be available now to purchase. That's going to be my spread, my little plan with me, featuring this seasonal sticker book. I think it came out really cute. The colors are fun. All right, so that'll go to one of my patrons on one of their Happy Meal packages. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Again, if you're interested in purchasing any of these things, my affiliate link is down in the description. Definitely check out the website. There's lots of great products over there to purchase. So yeah, that's going to be it. Hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe. And yeah, that's going to be it. And I will see you in the next one.